Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing, Maths of Playgroup. Dear students, today we will learn about heavy and light. Look here, this is elephant. ये एक elephant है. The elephant is heavy. And this is a cat. The cat is light. Now look here, a pencil. ये क्या है? एक पेंसिल है. The pencil is light. Pencil is light. But other side is the school bag. और school bag क्या है प्यारे बच्चों? School bag is heavy. Here is a big ship. And the ship is heavy. And the small boat is light. This is a big stone. क्या है? ये एक बड़ा सा पत्थर है. And the stone is heavy. And the feather is light. पत्थर भारी है और पर हल्का है, light है. So dear students, remember, big things can be heavy or small things can be lighted.